We'll guide you through how to use the latest version of ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatgptopenai.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your OpenAI account credentials to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main ChatGPT interface. To start a new conversation, simply click on the new chat button on the left sidebar. This will open a fresh chat window where you can type your queries or prompts into the text box at the bottom. After typing your message, hit the enter key on your keyboard or click the send button. The AI will process your input and generate a response almost instantly. If you want to adjust any settings like the language or tone of the AI responses, you can click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol in the top menu here. You can customize your preferences to make ChatGPT work the way you need it to. Additionally, if you need help or want to explore more features, check out the help section or the explore tab, where you can find tutorials and tips on getting the most out of ChatGPT. Remember, the more specific your prompts, the more accurate the responses will be. This latest version also supports various formats like bullet points, tables, and more to better fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.